At present, social networks are an important and influential medium. Viral challenges have become a trend nowadays and have caused a remarkable weight in society. Inventions that can be sometimes fun could even be shared with family and friends, such as #MatildaChallenge, where a person dances in the center of a room at the same time that other hidden people manipulate the objects around to make it look like he has mental powers. #NeymarChallenge. People fall and simulate pain like the Brazilian football player. However, until what point does it reach its influence? Striking strategies of companies, artists, ways to gain followers, likes, visualizations have even been implemented for charities. Every day there are more people who join these challenges, considered new experiences, a window to fame rated as fun and entertaining. Beyond just sharing it, it becomes an active element that creates content. But what are the results of these? Complications at the physical, psychological level, challenges that can endanger those who, by not measuring the consequences, they put their health at risk. Among these is the cinnamon challenge, where they are recorded trying to swallow a spoonful of cinnamon powder, implying a risk when attempting it, compromising life. So it's okay to ask the question, how convenient is it? Why do I do it? Will it bring consequences to my life? Remember that everything is legal, but not everything is appropriate.